This video is a resource for faculty who want to make a referral to a case manager for academic or wellness concerns regarding an undergraduate student. Only undergraduate courses will have the Refer a Student button feature in Canvas. To access the referral tool, open your class in Canvas. On the far left side of the page, click Refer Student. A note will pop up asking you for access to our Carbon Case Management. Click Authorize. Your photo roster will populate on the left side of the screen. Find the student you want to refer and click the drop-down menu titled Select Reason. We'll review what each of the 3 referral reasons are one by one so you have a better understanding of what makes for an appropriate referral. Academic integrity concern may be selected when a faculty member believes there has been a violation of the university academic integrity policy. The Report Concern button will open the Academic Integrity Report form. Completing this form does not initiate or replace the steps in issuing an FF grade and should be considered only as satisfaction of the requirement for centralized reporting. Academic progress may be selected if a student is not performing well in your class, has previously done well and you have noticed a drop in their grade, or another academic concern exists. Please include a detailed description in the description box next to the drop-down menu. For example, if you have a student who's not performing well in your class and they will most likely not be able to successfully complete the course given the remaining assignments, please mention this in the description box and consider including if you recommend they withdraw before the withdrawal deadline. The final drop-down menu is Wellness Distress. If any of the above referrals have mitigating wellness concerns, then it would be appropriate to select Wellness Distress. The Notify SOCAT button will open the Public Care Report. Completion of this form is the only way to notify the Student Outreach Support Team of your concern. Some examples of why you may submit a wellness concern include if the student was hospitalized, mentions they are suffering from anxiety or depression, may be having issues at home, or begins to exhibit behavior that is inconsistent with their past interactions with you or the class. Overall, it is most helpful when referrals briefly outline what is going on with the student, what action steps you may have already taken, and what intervention you are requesting a case manager take with the student. If you have any questions or would like additional information on our case management efforts, please contact the Office of Academic Advocacy or the Office of Student Outreach and Support. Thank you for your time.